Man, you already know the vibes. We back with another one. Follow that Instagram. Let's get this cold start started. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
How you doing?
Great.
Yeah, we out here. Check out the vibes real quick. Got the whole gang out here. Hey. Huh?
You didn't bring my friend in for me?
She right there in the front seat. She said it's too cold. She ain't stepping out here.
I know, right?
Everybody chilling in the car. Yo was good. Everybody out here chilling. Got the challenges. More slow out here. Oh yeah? You got some music out here?
Huh?
Hey, what you doing over here, cuz? Oh man, hey slow guy. Step out the car. Y'all slow people. Everybody out here.
What's up, bro?
Yo.
I forgot to
What's good? Yeah, we about to be. Got the wild body out here. Wild body looking smexy. All right, so we about to roll out to a meet. We got everybody in front and behind us. Got the girlfriend in the car. Got the Brody Matt in the car. It's too dark in the car. Ain't he black? But yeah, we about to roll out, see what this meet about real quick. Take that joint over. Oh, see, look, they got scat pads. I can't do that.
Oh shit! I hear engines. Man, niggas ain't stopping for stop signs. I like it.
They got that scat power, you know. They can't be doing that to me. Man, we deep. Look at the line. All right, y'all. We at the car meet right now. You see the whole gang lined up right now. So I'm gonna go by everybody Instagram tags real quick. We got Trap 392. Got my boy Filipino Arc right there. You know, you see him in the mirror and shit. You got Tay right here. That's the leader of the car club. Follow our Instagram. You got my car right here. You got my boy Mopars right here putting up. You got my boy 392 Dope Boy. You already know the vibes. We got Mopar Don the cut right here. We got Humblebee Ma right there. We got Brody right here.
At the right side of YouTube. This is Frank.
Yeah, my boy Frank. There you go out here with the GT, the fancy lights. What's good? Then we got the Subi out here. What's good? Got the carbon fiber roof. This real? Oh, it's rap. Oh, it's real, y'all. It's real. We got the carbon fiber out this jank. Mopar Abby out here. Abby out here with the splitter and everything. Oh yeah, we got a nice little lineup. We got Broga whip right here. Y'all already know my man RS4 Skyline. Looking sweet out here.
It's gonna be small, bro.
Huh?
It's gonna be small right here.
What? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's the same thing. Shamal keep on playing. I got people to connect with. But nah, this back right here.
Oh, okay. Like what I got done to it and stuff?
Everything, whatever.
Oh man, it's a lot.
So first, introduce yourself first. What's your name?
My name is
like
Ala.
Alright.
This is my car, Galvatron. It's
Okay.
a 01. I guess we'll start with the motor. It's an LS Next aluminum 427 block. Magnum crank, Cali's I-beam enforcer rods, bicycle pistons, Texas Speed PRC heads, the Kong 2650 blower, all kinds of Kong everything.
So they not really in the car scene, so I'm introducing them to the car scene and stuff like that. So they ain't understand nothing. You just say it's all gibberish to what you said to them. But I understand. So what's your win-loss record? That's all.
I mean, I don't really keep track of records. I just go out and have a good time.
All right.
Yeah, I don't worry about losing. That's how people don't run.
Oh yeah. So
like,
look,
I go out. My car won't be 100. I'll still run it.
Yeah.
Like if I don't have the right now the tires are bald. I'll still run it. I don't care. Like, go, I beat you. I'm like, okay.
He is savage. Oh yeah, you
I just don't care.
You gotta let me know you go do some stuff. Like I said, I do the
Yeah.
YouTube and stuff, so I'm gonna definitely be
But
trying to
they
get some
have,
content.
Right now it makes like 1,000, but I didn't turn it up yet.
Okay. Y'all heard that? That's 1,000 horses.
And
My
900 torque.
My car 370.
But I'm gonna try to be doing. But by spring it should be making 12 to 13.
Oh yeah.
And then if I get the transmission built, I'm gonna go for 15, 16.
I got to. It's all about networking. It's all about getting yourself out there and everything like that.
That's what's
So
up.
you know, I gotta work.
That's what's up.
What's your goal on how many do the dash interviews you gonna book today?
All of them. I'm gonna try to book everybody in the parking lot right now. That's the goal. Now I ain't gonna. Now hold on. Let me stop. If you got that little slow, I don't even want to deal with you though. Listen.
Russ Bucket don't get to do the dash interview?
Russ Bucket now, hey, you know, sleeper. We gonna call it a sleeper. We gonna list the numbers and say 200. Where? The truck? Maxima? Maxima's lit too. Oh, we got the bike squad. Nice little bike squad. Nah, it's on bad. They had some nice cars in the middle, but I ain't feel like walking down that way.
Where?
They playing music.
I did a glance and just kept on rolling around.
They playing. Everybody got
That's a
hustle.
nice dog right there. Lasting customer.
Well, yeah, everybody got hustle though. It's pretty lit out here. It's alright. It's a little slumber. That is bet making 1,000 horsepower. 1,000, my G. And we gotta get you on the interview too, man. You know you got the wild ball. We gonna check on this side. Come on, man. Open the front door, and then you can see it. What?
That shit nasty.
And then you can change the color and shit, right?
Yeah. Give me a second. That shit nasty. Whoa, hands, man.
Yeah, you can change all that shit. Like, it's got different, like, 100 colors.
That shit's sweet.
Yeah, I seen it on TikTok. I was like, oh, that's okay. I'm putting like 20 on it.
Yeah, we gotta get them starlights, y'all.